Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make a super easy floor sofa. I'm using 3 regular pillow covers. It is just a standard housewife pillowcases. We can use unused spare pieces of pillowcases. You don't need to buy it separately. Here I'm going to sew 2 pillowcases together. You can put it into the machine or use the hand sewing method. I'll be using an invisible stitching technique. Once you pull the thread, you can see the thread is hidden in a pretty decent way. I left an approximate 15 centimeter gap without sewing at the center point. I'm using the third pillowcase to make a belt. Fold it like I'm showing here. Then I'm using the pop fasteners. You can easily find it on shops like Dollar Store or Poundland. Sew it into the pillowcases. Now we can fill the pillows. Here is where we make use of the hole we left in the middle. You can use the belt to get a bow shape on one of the cushions. If you find the fasteners are not holding well and coming off so quick, you can sew on few more to get a good hold. Here we go. Our easy to make floor sofa is ready. To get the structure of a sofa, it needs a backing support. You can make it without spending much and the kids are going to love it. So enjoy and stay safe.